Imagine a world untouched by humans, a world of vast, untamed wilderness stretching from horizon to horizon. This is the world of the dinosaurs, a time before time when giants walked the earth. But this world, like all worlds, was not to last. Their reign, though long, would eventually come to an end. The story of the dinosaurs is a story written in stone. Their bones, fossilized over millions of years, are clues scattered across the globe. These remnants of a bygone era tell tales of incredible size and strength, of sharp teeth and sharper claws. They whisper of creatures that could shake the ground with their footsteps, creatures that could soar through the skies on leathery wings. These ghosts of giants have haunted the imaginations of humans for centuries. From the earliest discoveries of massive bones mistaken for mythical beasts to the modern-day marvels of paleontology, dinosaurs have captivated our collective consciousness. Their size and power inspire awe. Their otherworldly appearances spark wonder. Their sudden disappearance fuels endless speculation. The study of dinosaurs is a journey back in time. It's a quest to understand not just these incredible creatures, but also the world they inhabited. Through their fossilized remains, we catch glimpses of ancient ecosystems, of predator and prey locked in an eternal dance of survival. We see evidence of climates long gone, of continents shifting and reforming. Each fossil, each footprint preserved in stone, is a piece of a puzzle. A puzzle that scientists have been painstakingly piecing together for centuries. And with each new discovery, our understanding of these ancient creatures grows. We learn more about their anatomy, their behavior, their evolution. We know now that dinosaurs were not simply giant lizards, as once believed. They were a diverse group of reptiles with a wide range of adaptations and characteristics. Some were massive herbivores content to graze on ferns and cycads. Others were fearsome predators, armed with teeth and claws that could tear through flesh and bone. Some dinosaurs walked on two legs, others on four. Some had feathers, others scales. Some were social animals living in herds, while others were solitary hunters. The world of the dinosaurs was a tapestry of life, as rich and varied as the world we live in today. But the story of the dinosaurs is not just a story of diversity and wonder, it's also a story of survival and adaptation. Dinosaurs rose to prominence during a time of great upheaval. The Permian-Triassic extinction event, the most severe extinction event in Earth's history, had wiped out nearly 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species. In the wake of this devastation, dinosaurs found themselves with a near-empty canvas. The planet was ripe for the taking, and these adaptable reptiles seized the opportunity. They spread across the globe, evolving and diversifying to fill every available niche. From the poles to the equator, dinosaurs became the dominant land animals on Earth. Their reign would last for over 180 million years, a testament to their incredible success. During this time, they witnessed the breakup of the supercontinent Pangaea, the rise of flowering plants, and the evolution of the first birds and mammals. Section 5. The Reign of Reptiles. The Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs, is divided into three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Each period had its own unique set of dinosaurs, each more incredible than the last. The Triassic period saw the rise of the first dinosaurs, relatively small and agile creatures compared to their later descendants. The Jurassic period witnessed the evolution of giants, such as the long-necked Brachiosaurus and the fearsome Allosaurus. The Cretaceous period, the last and longest reign of the dinosaurs, brought about some of the most iconic dinosaurs of all: the Triceratops, the Velociraptor, and of course the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex. But the reign of the dinosaurs, like all reigns, was not destined to last forever. The very forces that had shaped their world would eventually lead to their downfall. The continents continued to drift, climates changed, and new competitors emerged. And then, in a cataclysmic event that would forever alter the course of life on Earth, the dinosaurs vanished. Section 6. Unveiling the mysteries. The extinction of the dinosaurs is one of the most enduring mysteries in science. What could have caused such a dominant group of animals to disappear so suddenly? Was it a gradual decline or a sudden catastrophe? Theories abound, each with its own set of evidence and supporters. Some scientists believe that a massive asteroid impact, the Chicxulub impactor, triggered a chain of events that led to the dinosaurs' demise. Others point to massive volcanic eruptions, spewing ash and toxic gases into the atmosphere as the culprit. Still, others suggest that a combination of factors, including climate change and disease, may have played a role. The truth, as is often the case, is likely more complex than any single theory can fully explain. But whatever the cause, the extinction of the dinosaurs marked a turning point in Earth's history. It paved the way for the rise of mammals, ultimately leading to the evolution of our own species. Section 1. Dawn of the Triassic. The story of the dinosaurs begins not with a bang, but with a whimper. The Permian Triassic extinction event, a cataclysm of unimaginable proportions, had ravaged the planet. Volcanoes belched fire and ash, spewing toxic gases into the atmosphere. The oceans acidified, choking out marine life. The very air became difficult to breathe. Life on Earth teetered on the brink. The once thriving ecosystems of the Permian period lay in ruins. The vast majority of species, both on land and in the sea, had been wiped out. The planet was a desolate wasteland, scarred and silent. But even in the face of such devastation, life found a way. From the ashes of extinction, new creatures emerged, ready to inherit a world transformed. Among these survivors were the ancestors of dinosaurs, small, unassuming reptiles that would eventually give rise to the most magnificent creatures the world had ever seen. Section 2. The first dinosaurs. The first dinosaurs were a far cry from their giant descendants. They were small, agile creatures, no larger than a dog or a small horse. They walked on two legs, their long tails providing balance and agility as they scurried through the undergrowth. They were likely omnivores, their sharp teeth adapted for a diet of both plants and small animals. These early dinosaurs were just one group of reptiles vying for survival in the aftermath of the Permian extinction. They shared their world with other reptilian groups, including the ancestors of crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. The competition for resources was fierce, and only the most adaptable would survive. But the dinosaurs possessed a secret weapon, a unique set of adaptations that would give them an edge in the struggle for survival. Their legs were positioned directly beneath their bodies, rather than splayed out to the sides like those of other reptiles. This gave them greater speed and agility, allowing them to outrun predators and chase down prey. Section 3. A world in transition. The Triassic period, the first act in the age of dinosaurs, was a time of dramatic change. The supercontinent Pangaea, which had united all the world's land masses for millions of years, began to break apart. This fragmentation of the land led to the creation of new coastlines, new habitats, and new opportunities for life to evolve. The climate was also in flux. The early Triassic was hot and dry, but as the period progressed, the climate became more humid, with seasonal monsoons drenching the land. These changing conditions favored animals that were adaptable, animals that could thrive in a variety of environments. The dinosaurs, with their unique adaptations and their ability to evolve rapidly, were perfectly poised to take advantage of these changes. As the Triassic progressed, they began to diversify, evolving into a wide range of shapes and sizes. Some remained small and agile, while others grew larger and more powerful. Section 4. Rise of the Archosaurs. The dinosaurs belonged to a larger group of reptiles known as the archosaurs, which also included the ancestors of crocodiles and pterosaurs, the flying reptiles. During the Triassic period, the archosaurs rose to prominence, outcompeting other reptilian groups for dominance on land. The archosaurs shared a number of key adaptations that contributed to their success. They had a more efficient respiratory system than other reptiles, allowing them to breathe more easily in the often oxygen-poor atmosphere of the Triassic. They also had a more advanced heart, which allowed them to pump blood more efficiently throughout their bodies. These adaptations gave the archosaurs a significant advantage over their competitors, allowing them to thrive in a variety of environments. As the Triassic progressed, the archosaurs diversified, evolving into a wide range of forms, from the fearsome predatory dinosaurs to the armored, plant-eating etosaurs. Section 5. The Dinosaur Advantage. Among the archosaurs, the dinosaurs possessed a unique set of adaptations that would ultimately lead to their dominance. Their upright posture, with legs positioned directly beneath their bodies, gave them superior speed and agility compared to other reptiles. This allowed them to outrun predators and chase down prey with greater efficiency. Dinosaurs also had a more advanced hip structure than other reptiles. Their hips were characterized by a hole in the hip socket, which allowed for a more upright and efficient leg posture. This adaptation further enhanced their speed and agility, giving them a significant advantage in the competition for survival. These adaptations, combined with their ability to evolve rapidly, allowed the dinosaurs to outcompete other reptilian groups during the Triassic period. As the Triassic drew to a close, the dinosaurs were poised to inherit the Earth, setting the stage for their reign as the dominant land animals for the next 135 million years. Section 6. Adaptability and Evolution. The success of the dinosaurs was not simply a matter of luck. It was the result of their remarkable adaptability and their ability to evolve rapidly in response to changing environments. Throughout the Triassic period, the dinosaurs faced a variety of challenges, from climate change to competition from other reptilian groups. But each time the dinosaurs rose to the occasion, evolving new adaptations that allowed them to thrive in the face of adversity. Some dinosaurs developed longer necks, allowing them to reach higher into the trees to feed. Others developed stronger jaws and teeth, enabling them to crush bones and consume a wider variety of prey. This ability to adapt and evolve would prove to be the key to the dinosaurs' long reign. As the continents continued to drift and the climate continued to change, the dinosaurs evolved alongside their environment, constantly adapting to the challenges and opportunities presented to them. Section 7. A Legacy in Bone. The story of the dinosaurs' rise to dominance is written in their bones. Fossils from the Triassic period tell a tale of gradual evolution, of small, unassuming reptiles transforming into the ancestors of giants. Each fossil discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle, helping us to understand the incredible journey of these prehistoric creatures. Paleontologists have unearthed fossils of early dinosaurs all over the world. From the deserts of North America to the pampas of South America to the rocky outcrops of Africa. These fossils provide a glimpse into a world long gone, a world where the dinosaurs were just beginning their ascent to power. Through careful study of these fossilized remains, scientists have been able to piece together the evolutionary history of the dinosaurs, tracing their lineage back to their humble reptilian ancestors. Each new discovery helps to paint a clearer picture of the Triassic world, a world on the cusp of a dinosaurian dynasty. The rise of the dinosaurs was not a sudden event. It was a gradual process that unfolded over millions of years. As the Triassic period progressed, the dinosaurs gradually outcompeted other reptilian groups, their superior adaptations giving them an edge in the struggle for survival. By the end of the Triassic, the dinosaurs had become the dominant land animals on Earth. They had diversified into a wide range of forms, from small, feathered theropods to massive, long-necked sauropods. The age of dinosaurs had truly begun. The dinosaurs' reign would last for over 135 million years, a testament to their incredible success as a group. During that time, they would evolve into some of the most magnificent creatures ever to walk the Earth, from the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex to the gentle giant Brachiosaurus. The Triassic period, though often overshadowed by the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods that followed, was a time of incredible importance in the history of life on Earth. It was during the Triassic that the dinosaurs first emerged, evolving from small, unassuming reptiles into the dominant land animals on the planet. The Triassic was a time of great change and upheaval, with the breakup of Pangaea, dramatic shifts in climate, and intense competition among different groups of animals. Yet, amidst this turmoil, the dinosaurs thrived, their adaptability and their unique set of adaptations allowing them to overcome every challenge. As the Triassic drew to a close, the stage was set for the dinosaurs' true reign to begin. The Jurassic period awaited, a time when the dinosaurs would reach new heights of diversity and grandeur, their colossal forms casting long shadows across a world they had made their own. The Triassic, the dawn of the dinosaurs, had given rise to a dynasty that would shape the course of life on Earth for millions of years to come. The world of the dinosaurs was a grand stage, a sprawling panorama of lush forests, vast plains and shimmering seas. Across this ancient landscape, a spectacular cast of creatures played out their roles in the drama of life and death. Towering herbivores grazed on ferns and cycads, their footsteps shaking the ground. Fearsome predators stalked their prey, their teeth and claws honed to deadly perfection. From the smallest, feathered theropods to the largest, long-necked sauropods, dinosaurs evolved into a breathtaking array of forms, each uniquely adapted to its ecological niche. Some were swift runners, their long legs carrying them across the plains in pursuit of prey. Others were heavily armored, their bodies shielded by bony plates and spikes, deterring even the most determined attackers. The sheer variety of dinosaur species is a testament to their evolutionary success. They adapted to a wide range of environments, from the lush rainforests of the tropics to the arid deserts of the interior. Their fossils have been found on every continent, a testament to their global dominance during the Mesozoic era. Among the most awe-inspiring dinosaurs were the herbivores, the gentle giants that roamed the earth, consuming vast quantities of vegetation to fuel their massive bodies. These plant eaters evolved a remarkable array of adaptations for processing tough plant matter, from rows of grinding teeth to complex digestive systems. The sauropods, with their long necks, long tails and pillar-like legs, were the largest land animals ever to walk the earth. These behemoths, such as Brachiosaurus and Apatosaurus, could grow to lengths of over 100 feet and weigh as much as several elephants. Their long necks allowed them to reach high into the treetops to browse on leaves that were inaccessible to other herbivores. But sauropods were not the only herbivores that graced the Mesozoic landscape. The ornithischians, a diverse group of dinosaurs that included the armored ankylosaurs, the horned ceratopsians, and the duck-billed hadrosaurs, also played a vital role in the ancient ecosystems. The sauropods, the long-necked giants of the dinosaur world, remain a source of endless fascination for paleontologists and dinosaur enthusiasts alike. Their immense size and unique anatomy raise intriguing questions about their biology and behavior. How did these creatures support their massive weight? How did they pump blood to their heads, which were often held high above their hearts? Scientists believe that sauropods possessed a number of adaptations that allowed them to thrive despite their enormous size. Their bones were hollowed out to reduce weight, while still providing structural support. Their necks were held aloft by a complex system of ligaments and muscles, much like the cables supporting a suspension bridge. The sauropods' digestive systems were also marvels of efficiency, capable of breaking down tough plant matter that other herbivores found indigestible. They likely swallowed their food whole, relying on bacteria in their guts to ferment and digest the plant material. While sauropods relied on their size to deter predators, other herbivorous dinosaurs evolved impressive defenses to protect themselves from attack. The ankylosaurs, for example, were encased in bony armor, their bodies resembling living tanks. These walking fortresses were covered in bony plates, spikes and knobs, making them a formidable challenge for even the most determined predator. Some ankylosaurs even possessed clubbed tails, which they could swing with considerable force, potentially breaking the bones of an attacker. These armored giants were the tanks of the dinosaur world, their defenses making them nearly impervious to predation. Another group of armored dinosaurs, the stegosaurs, took a different approach to defense. They possessed rows of bony plates and spikes along their backs, which may have served both as protection and as display structures. The function of these plates is still debated, but they undoubtedly made the stegosaurs a visually striking presence in the Mesozoic landscape. Section 5. Fearsome predators. No account of the dinosaur world would be complete without mentioning the fearsome predators that stalked the ancient ecosystems. These carnivores, ranging in size from the turkey-sized Compsognathus to the colossal Tyrannosaurus rex, played a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature, keeping herbivore populations in check. The theropods, a group of bipedal dinosaurs that included most of the carnivorous species, were characterized by their sharp teeth, powerful jaws and clawed hands. Some theropods, like the dromaeosaurs or raptors, were agile pack hunters, working together to bring down larger prey. Others, like the tyrannosaurids, were solitary predators, relying on their brute strength and powerful jaws to overpower their victims. The predators of the dinosaur world were a diverse and formidable lot, each species evolving its own unique set of adaptations for hunting and survival. Their fossils provide a chilling glimpse into a world where even the largest herbivores were not safe from the threat of predation. Section 6. Hunters of the night. While some predators stalked their prey during the day, others ruled the night. These nocturnal hunters relied on their keen senses, stealth, and specialized adaptations to navigate the darkness and ambush unsuspecting prey. One such group were the troodontids, small to medium-sized theropods known for their large brains and large eyes, suggesting they were well suited for low-light conditions. Troodontids possessed long, slender limbs built for speed and agility, allowing them to silently stalk their prey through the undergrowth. Their large eyes would have been adept at picking up movement in the dim light, and their grasping hands, tipped with sharp claws, would have made short work of any small animal unfortunate enough to cross their path. These nocturnal hunters played a vital role in their ecosystems, controlling populations of small mammals, reptiles, and insects. Their fossils offer a glimpse into a hidden world, a world of shadows and whispers, where the balance of power shifted under the cover of darkness. Section 7. The agile pack hunters. Not all predators relied on brute strength or nocturnal stealth. Some, like the dromaeosaurs, better known as raptors, were masters of speed, agility, and coordinated hunting. These feathered predators, made famous by the Jurassic Park franchise, were far smaller than their Hollywood counterparts, but no less deadly. Dromaeosaurs possessed long, powerful legs built for running and leaping, allowing them to chase down their prey with ease. Their most distinctive feature, however, was the large, sickle-shaped claw on their second toe, which they held off the ground when running to keep it sharp. This deadly weapon could be used to deliver a killing blow, slashing at vital organs or pinning down struggling prey. Evidence suggests that dromaeosaurs may have hunted in packs, using coordinated attacks to bring down larger prey. Their intelligence, agility, and lethal weaponry made them a force to be reckoned with in the Mesozoic world. One of the most remarkable discoveries in paleontology in recent decades has been the abundance of feathered dinosaurs. Far from being the scaly reptiles of popular imagination, many dinosaurs, particularly theropods, possessed feathers, ranging from simple hair-like structures to complex flight feathers. Feathers served a variety of functions in dinosaurs, from insulation to display to eventually flight. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs has revolutionized our understanding of dinosaur evolution, highlighting the close evolutionary relationship between dinosaurs and birds. Some feathered dinosaurs, like Microraptor, possessed 4 wings, suggesting that they may have been capable of gliding or even powered flight. The evolution of flight in dinosaurs is a testament to the power of natural selection, showcasing the incredible diversity of life that arose during the Mesozoic era. While dinosaurs ruled the land, other reptiles conquered the skies and seas. Pterosaurs, the flying reptiles of the Mesozoic era, evolved into a diverse array of forms, from the small insect-eating Anurognathus to the gigantic Quetzalcoatlus with a wingspan exceeding 30 feet. Pterosaurs were the first vertebrates to evolve powered flight. Their wings, formed by a membrane of skin stretched between their elongated 4th finger and their hind limbs. They soared through the skies, preying on fish, insects, and even small dinosaurs. In the oceans, ichthyosaurs, plesiosaurs, and mosasaurs, marine reptiles unrelated to dinosaurs, ruled the waves. These sleek, streamlined predators were perfectly adapted for life in the water, their limbs transformed into flippers and their bodies hydrodynamically shaped for speed and agility. The Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs, was a time of unparalleled biodiversity. Dinosaurs, pterosaurs, marine reptiles, and a myriad of other creatures from insects to mammals shared the planet, creating a complex web of life that spanned the globe. The dinosaurs, with their incredible diversity and evolutionary success, played a pivotal role in shaping the ecosystems of the Mesozoic. They were the keystone species of their time, their presence influencing the evolution of plants, animals, and entire environments. The tapestry of life during the Mesozoic era was rich and varied, a testament to the power of evolution to create beauty, complexity, and wonder. The dinosaurs, though long extinct, continue to captivate our imaginations, reminding us of the incredible diversity of life that has graced our planet over millions of years. Each dinosaur fossil, a silent sentinel from a world lost to time, presents us with a tantalizing puzzle. While bones can reveal much about the anatomy and even the lifestyles of these extinct giants, they also hold frustratingly close-mouthed secrets. Some mysteries linger unanswered, challenging our assumptions and fueling further exploration into the deep recesses of prehistory. Consider the complex internal structure of dinosaur bones. Growth rings, similar to those found in trees, offer clues about their age and growth rates. But what do these rings tell us about their metabolic processes? Were dinosaurs warm-blooded, like their modern bird descendants, or did they rely on the environment to regulate their body temperature, like reptiles? The debate rages on, fueled by tantalizing hints buried within the very fabric of their bones. Furthermore, the massive size of some dinosaurs, particularly the sauropods, presents a biomechanical enigma. How did these creatures, weighing tens of tons, support their own weight? How did their hearts pump blood up those impossibly long necks to reach their brains? These questions continue to baffle scientists, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of physiology and physics. The question of dinosaur metabolism, whether they were warm-blooded or cold-blooded, is a long-standing debate among paleontologists. Evidence can be found to support both sides of the argument, leaving scientists to grapple with the implications of each possibility. Warm-blooded animals, or endotherms, maintain a constant internal body temperature, regardless of the environment, allowing for sustained activity levels but requiring a high-energy diet. Cold-blooded animals or ectotherms rely on external sources such as the sun to regulate their body temperature, conserving energy but limiting their activity levels in colder climates. Some scientists point to the dinosaurs' active lifestyles as evidenced by their bone structure and fossilized footprints as evidence for warm-bloodedness. Others argue that their sheer size could have allowed them to maintain a relatively stable body temperature, even with a slower metabolism. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs has further complicated the debate, as feathers are often associated with insulation, a characteristic of warm-blooded animals. However, the purpose of feathers in some dinosaurs, particularly early forms, remains unclear. Were they used for insulation, display, or some other purpose entirely? The question of dinosaur metabolism is a complex puzzle, with pieces of evidence scattered across different fields of study, from paleontology to physiology to evolutionary biology. Imagine a world painted in shades of grey, a world where even the most magnificent creatures are cloaked in monochrome drabness. For a long time, this was our perception of the dinosaur era, limited by the monochrome palette of fossilized bones. However, recent discoveries have begun to paint a more vibrant picture, revealing that the world of dinosaurs was far more colorful than we once imagined. Through the study of melanosomes, microscopic structures found in fossilized feathers and skin, scientists have been able to reconstruct the color patterns of some dinosaur species. These findings have revealed a surprising diversity of hues, from the rusty reds and oranges of Sinosauropteryx to the iridescent, shimmering feathers of Microraptor. The discovery of dinosaur colors has not only transformed our visual understanding of these creatures, but has also provided valuable insights into their behavior. Coloration could have played a role in camouflage, display, species recognition, and even thermoregulation, influencing how dinosaurs interacted with their environment and each other. The once muted world of dinosaurs is now bursting with color, revealing a depth and complexity that we are only beginning to comprehend. Fossilized footprints, those enduring imprints left behind in the mud and sand of a bygone era, offer a fascinating glimpse into the lives of dinosaurs. These trace fossils, as they are known, provide valuable information about dinosaur locomotion, social behavior, and even their interactions with their environment. Trackways, a series of footprints belonging to the same individual, can reveal details about their gait, speed, and even their posture. For instance, the discovery of parallel trackways of multiple individuals suggests that some dinosaur species, such as sauropods and hadrosaurs, may have traveled in herds, providing safety in numbers and potentially facilitating social interactions. Footprints can also reveal evidence of predatory behavior. In some cases, fossilized footprints of both predator and prey have been found in close proximity, preserving a snapshot of a prehistoric chase or a struggle for survival frozen in stone. However, interpreting dinosaur behavior solely from footprints requires careful consideration. While trackways offer tantalizing clues, they cannot always provide definitive answers. Scientists must consider factors such as the preservation of the trackway, the surrounding environment, and the limitations of interpreting behavior from fossilized evidence. Did dinosaurs form complex social structures like some modern-day animals? Did they communicate with each other through vocalizations, displays, or other means? These questions lie at the heart of our fascination with dinosaur behavior. While fossilized bones provide clues about their anatomy, understanding their social interactions requires piecing together evidence from a variety of sources, including trackways, nesting sites, and even bone bed assemblages. Some dinosaur species, such as the hadrosaurs, possessed elaborate crests and frills on their heads, suggesting that visual display may have played a role in their social interactions. These structures could have been used for species recognition, attracting mates or establishing dominance within a herd. Furthermore, the discovery of mass bone beds containing the remains of numerous individuals of the same species suggests that some dinosaurs may have congregated in large numbers, perhaps for breeding or seasonal migrations. These bone beds offer a snapshot of a moment in time, preserving evidence of social behavior that would otherwise be lost to the fossil record. The discovery of dinosaur nests and eggs has provided invaluable insights into their reproductive behaviors and parental care. These fossilized remnants of ancient nurseries paint a touching picture of a world where even the most gigantic creatures exhibited tenderness and care for their young. Dinosaur nests varied widely in shape and size, from simple scrapes in the ground to elaborate mounds of vegetation. The arrangement of eggs within the nest also differed between species, with some dinosaurs laying their eggs in circular patterns, while others arranged them in linear rows. These patterns suggest different incubation strategies, with some dinosaurs relying on the heat of the sun to incubate their eggs, while others may have used body heat or even decaying vegetation to provide warmth. The discovery of adult dinosaurs fossilized in close proximity to nests containing eggs or young suggests that at least some dinosaur species exhibited parental care, guarding their offspring, and perhaps even providing them with food. Section 7. The curious case of dinosaur diseases. Even giants can succumb to illness. The study of dinosaur paleopathology, the study of ancient diseases and injuries, offers a glimpse into the health and well-being of these prehistoric creatures. Fossilized bones can preserve evidence of fractures, infections, arthritis, and even cancer, providing insights into the challenges of survival in the Mesozoic era. For instance, the discovery of a Tyrannosaurus rex skeleton nicknamed Sue revealed a number of injuries, including broken ribs, a leg injury that had healed, and evidence of a parasitic infection in its jaw. These findings suggest that even apex predators like Tyrannosaurus rex were not immune to the perils of their environment. The study of dinosaur diseases not only sheds light on their individual lives, but also provides valuable information about the evolution of diseases and the interactions between hosts and parasites throughout history. By studying the ailments that afflicted dinosaurs, scientists can gain a better understanding of the evolution of immune systems and the factors that contribute to the spread of diseases. Section 8. Unraveling dinosaur senses. How did dinosaurs experience the world around them? What did they see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? Reconstructing the sensory capabilities of extinct animals is a challenging task, requiring a multidisciplinary approach that combines paleontological evidence with knowledge of modern-day animal physiology. Scientists can infer some aspects of dinosaur senses from their skeletal anatomy. For example, the size and shape of the brain case can provide clues about the relative size and development of different brain regions, including those involved in sensory processing. The orientation of the eye sockets can offer insights into their field of vision, while the structure of the inner ear can reveal information about their hearing range. Additionally, the presence of certain anatomical features, such as large olfactory bulbs in the skull, suggests a well-developed sense of smell, while the presence of a beak-like structure in some species hints at a specialized sense of touch. Reconstructing dinosaur senses allows us to move beyond their skeletal framework and envision them as living, breathing animals interacting with their environment in complex ways. Section 9. The mystery of dinosaur migration. Did dinosaurs migrate across vast distances following seasonal changes in search of food, water, or breeding grounds? Evidence for dinosaur migration is scant but tantalizing, primarily gleaned from trackways and bone bed assemblages. Some trackways suggest that certain species may have followed specific routes, perhaps along coastlines or river valleys, indicating seasonal movements. Furthermore, the discovery of mass bone beds containing the remains of hundreds or even thousands of individuals, often of different age groups, hints at large-scale migrations. These assemblages suggest that some dinosaur species may have gathered in large numbers, perhaps for breeding or to take advantage of seasonal resources, before embarking on long journeys. However, proving dinosaur migration definitively is challenging. Scientists must rule out other explanations for these patterns, such as localized flooding events or fluctuations in prey availability. The question of dinosaur migration remains an open one, requiring further research and the discovery of more conclusive evidence to solve the mystery of these ancient journeys. Section 10. Dinosaur Intelligence, Fact and Fiction. The question of dinosaur intelligence has long captivated the public imagination. Were these creatures simply instinct-driven behemoths, or were some species capable of complex thought and problem-solving? Assessing the intelligence of extinct animals is notoriously difficult, as we cannot observe their behavior directly. However, scientists can use several proxies to infer cognitive abilities. One approach is to compare the brain size of dinosaurs to their body size, a metric known as the encephalization quotient, or EQ. While EQ is not a perfect measure of intelligence, it can provide a general idea of an animal's cognitive capacity relative to its size. Another approach is to study the complexity of their behaviors, as evidenced by their fossilized remains. For example, evidence of tool use, complex social structures, or problem-solving abilities would suggest higher cognitive function. While dinosaurs were likely not as intelligent as modern-day primates or birds, some species, particularly the troodontids, possessed relatively large brains for their body size, hinting at a greater capacity for intelligence than previously thought. Section 11. A legacy of unanswered questions. The world of dinosaurs continues to fascinate and mystify. Despite decades of research, many questions remain unanswered. Their behavior, senses, social interactions, and extinction intrigue us. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding, but also reveals new mysteries. The study of dinosaurs is a journey into a world long lost. It challenges our assumptions and expands our understanding. The legacy of dinosaurs is one of unanswered questions, a testament to scientific inquiry and the allure of the unknown. Section 1. Twilight of the Giants, the reign of the dinosaurs, though long and prosperous, was not destined to last forever. The end of the Cretaceous period marked a turning point in Earth's history. Dinosaurs vanished, leaving a void for new life to emerge. The extinction of dinosaurs is a profound mystery in science. Some scientists point to a massive asteroid impact as the cause. Section 2. The Deccan Traps, a volcanic inferno. In the heart of what is now India, a vast expanse of volcanic rock, known as the Deccan Traps, bears silent witness to a period of intense volcanic activity that coincided with the end of the Cretaceous period. These massive lava flows, some over 2,000 meters thick, are the remnants of a series of eruptions that spewed forth unimaginable quantities of molten rock, ash, and toxic gases into the atmosphere. The Deccan Traps eruptions, lasting for hundreds of thousands of years, would have had a devastating impact on the global climate. The massive release of sulfur dioxide and other volcanic gases would have led to acid rain, ocean acidification, and global cooling, disrupting ecosystems worldwide. The environmental consequences of such prolonged volcanic activity would have been catastrophic for many life forms, including dinosaurs. The acid rain would have poisoned water sources, while the global cooling would have disrupted plant growth, leading to food shortages and habitat loss. While the Deccan Traps eruptions may not have been the sole cause of the dinosaur extinction, they undoubtedly played a significant role in weakening ecosystems and making life on Earth increasingly precarious. Section 3. The Chicxulub Impactor, a cosmic hammer blow. Off the coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, buried beneath layers of sediment, lies a massive impact crater, a scar on the Earth's surface marking the point where a colossal asteroid, estimated to have been about 10 kilometers in diameter, slammed into our planet some 66 million years ago. The Chicxulub Impactor, as it is known, is widely believed to have been the event that triggered the extinction of the dinosaurs. The impact would have released an unimaginable amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. The immediate effects would have been catastrophic, with shockwaves, tsunamis and wildfires ravaging the surrounding regions. However, it was the long-term consequences of the impact that proved most devastating. The impact would have ejected vast quantities of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight and plunging the Earth into a prolonged period of darkness and cold. This impact winter, as it is known, would have disrupted photosynthesis, leading to the collapse of food chains and the extinction of countless species, including the dinosaurs. Section 4. A gradual decline or a sudden cataclysm. The debate over the cause of the dinosaur extinction often centers on whether it was a gradual decline or a sudden cataclysm. Proponents of the gradual decline theory argue that dinosaurs were already in decline before the Chicxulub impact, their numbers dwindling due to factors such as climate change, volcanic activity, or disease. They point to evidence of declining dinosaur diversity in the late Cretaceous period, with some groups showing signs of stress and extinction before the impact. On the other hand, proponents of the sudden cataclysm theory argue that the Chicxulub impact, with its immediate and long-term consequences, was the primary driver of the extinction event. They point to the suddenness of the extinction event, with many dinosaur species disappearing abruptly from the fossil record at the Cretaceous-Paleogene boundary, the geological layer that marks the time of the impact. The truth may lie somewhere in between these two extremes. It's possible that a combination of factors, including long-term environmental stress and the catastrophic effects of the Chicxulub impact, conspired to bring about the end of the dinosaurs' reign. The evidence for the dinosaur extinction comes from a variety of sources, including the fossil record, geological formations, and chemical analyses. The fossil record provides a chronicle of life on Earth, revealing the rise and fall of different groups of organisms over time. The KPG boundary, a thin layer of sediment found worldwide, marks the transition between the Cretaceous and Paleogene periods. This layer is enriched in iridium, a rare element on Earth, but abundant in asteroids, providing strong evidence for a massive impact event at the time of the dinosaur extinction. Additionally, the KPG boundary contains shocked quartz tektites and other minerals that form under extreme pressure and temperature, further supporting the impact hypothesis. Geological formations, such as the Chicxulub crater and the Deccan Traps, provide further evidence for the catastrophic events that coincided with the end of the Cretaceous period. Chemical analyses of ancient sediments and fossils can reveal changes in atmospheric composition, ocean acidity, and other environmental factors, allowing scientists to reconstruct the global impact of these events. While the extinction event that marked the end of the Cretaceous period was devastating, wiping out an estimated 76% of plant and animal species on Earth, life, as it always does, found a way to persist. Some groups of organisms, perhaps by chance or due to pre-existing adaptations, proved more resilient to the environmental upheaval, weathering the storm and emerging into a world transformed. Among the survivors were small burrowing mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, and insects. These creatures, often living in the shadows of the dinosaurs, were able to adapt to the changing conditions, taking advantage of the newly available resources and ecological niches. The extinction of the dinosaurs, though a tragedy for the species themselves, opened up opportunities for the survivors, paving the way for the evolution of new forms of life and the eventual rise of mammals as the dominant land animals. The world after the dinosaurs was a very different place, a world characterized by new challenges and opportunities, a world ripe for the emergence of new lineages and the diversification of life. For over 100 million years, mammals lived alongside dinosaurs, often playing a secondary role in terrestrial ecosystems. These small, mostly nocturnal creatures were relegated to the fringes, their evolution constrained by the dominance of their reptilian counterparts. However, the extinction of the dinosaurs removed this constraint, opening up a world of possibilities for the surviving mammals. With their reptilian competitors gone, mammals were free to diversify and evolve, taking advantage of the newly available resources and habitats. They evolved a wide range of adaptations, from specialized teeth for different diets to larger body sizes, allowing them to exploit a wider range of ecological niches. Over millions of years, mammals radiated into the vacant ecological spaces, evolving into the incredible diversity of forms we see today, from the smallest shrews to the largest whales. The rise of the mammals is a testament to the power of evolution, demonstrating how life can adapt, diversify, and thrive, even in the aftermath of a mass extinction event. Section 8. Unraveling the threads of extinction. The extinction of the dinosaurs, though a defining moment in Earth's history, is just one of many mass extinction events that have punctuated the history of life on our planet. Each extinction event, whether triggered by an asteroid impact, volcanic eruptions, climate change, or a combination of factors, has reshaped the biosphere, leading to the loss of countless species and the emergence of new forms of life. Understanding the causes and consequences of past extinction events is crucial for understanding the current biodiversity crisis facing our planet. By studying the patterns of extinction and survival in the fossil record, scientists can gain insights into the factors that make species vulnerable to extinction and the mechanisms by which life recovers from these catastrophic events. The extinction of the dinosaurs serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. It highlights the importance of conservation efforts aimed at protecting biodiversity and mitigating the impacts of human activities on the planet. Section 9. The enduring mystery. The extinction of the dinosaurs remains an enduring mystery. The Chicxulub impact is widely accepted as the primary trigger. How long did it take for the dinosaurs to disappear? Did some species survive longer than others? What role did volcanic eruptions or climate change play? These questions drive researchers to seek new evidence. The study of dinosaur extinction informs our understanding of the present and future. Section 1. A legacy in stone. The dinosaurs are gone, vanished from the Earth for millions of years. Their reign ended in a cataclysm that reshaped the planet, yet they are not forgotten. Their legacy, etched in stone, whispers to us across time. Each fossil is a tangible link to a past beyond human experience. These remnants tell tales of unimaginable creatures and lost worlds. They speak of towering giants and ferocious predators. The dinosaurs continue to captivate our imaginations. The study of dinosaurs is a journey into deep time, a quest to understand a world vastly different from our own. Through the meticulous work of paleontologists, these ancient creatures are brought back to life, not in flesh and blood, but in our understanding of their anatomy, their behavior, and their ecosystems. Each new discovery, whether a complete skeleton or a single fossilized footprint, adds a brushstroke to the canvas, revealing a world both familiar and alien. We see echoes of our own world in the dinosaurs' struggle for survival, in their adaptations to changing environments, in their interactions with other species. Their story is a reminder that extinction is a natural part of life's grand tapestry, a process that has shaped the diversity of life on Earth for billions of years. But their story is also a cautionary tale, a reminder of the fragility of ecosystems and the interconnectedness of life. The dinosaurs' extinction, though triggered by a catastrophic event, highlights the delicate balance of life on Earth. It reminds us that even the most successful species can succumb to rapid environmental change, a lesson that is particularly relevant in our own time of accelerating climate change and biodiversity loss. Dinosaurs hold a unique place in our collective imagination. They are the monsters of our childhood nightmares and the majestic creatures of our dreams. They populate our books, our movies, and our museums, inspiring generations of scientists, artists, and storytellers. Their appeal lies not just in their size and power, but in their otherness, their alien beauty, their ability to transport us to a time when the world was a vastly different place. Dinosaurs allow us to step outside the confines of our own experience and imagine a world where giant reptiles ruled the earth, where pterosaurs soared through the skies, and where strange and wonderful creatures swam in prehistoric seas. They spark our curiosity, ignite our sense of wonder, and remind us that the natural world is full of surprises. The power of dinosaurs to inspire imagination is evident in the countless children who dream of becoming paleontologists, eager to unearth the secrets of these ancient creatures. It is evident in the artists who strive to capture their majesty and power on canvas or in sculpture. And it is evident in the writers who weave tales of adventure and discovery set against the backdrop of a prehistoric world. The study of dinosaurs is not just a journey into the past, it is also a reflection on our present and a glimpse into our future. By understanding the factors that led to the dinosaurs' extinction, we gain valuable insights into the challenges facing our own planet and the potential consequences of our actions. The Earth's climate is changing at an unprecedented rate, driven by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels. This rapid warming is already having profound impacts on ecosystems worldwide, leading to more frequent and severe heat waves, droughts, floods, and wildfires. Species are disappearing at an alarming rate as habitats are destroyed, temperatures rise, and ecosystems are disrupted. The extinction of the dinosaurs serves as a stark reminder that even the most dominant species can succumb to rapid environmental change. It is a cautionary tale, urging us to act swiftly and decisively to mitigate the impacts of climate change and protect the planet's biodiversity for generations to come. The study of dinosaurs is an unending quest, a journey of discovery that is constantly evolving as new technologies emerge, new fossil sites are unearthed, and new generations of scientists bring fresh perspectives to the field. The mysteries surrounding these ancient creatures are far from solved. Each new discovery raises more questions than it answers, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and challenging our assumptions about the past. Paleontologists continue to debate the intricacies of dinosaur anatomy, behavior, and evolution. New technologies such as CT scanning, 3D modeling, and isotopic analysis are providing unprecedented insights into the lives of dinosaurs, allowing scientists to reconstruct their muscles, analyze their diets, and even map their migratory patterns. The quest to understand these fascinating creatures is far from over. It is an ongoing adventure, fueled by curiosity, passion, and the thrill of discovery. The dinosaurs, though long gone, have left us an invaluable legacy. Their fossils, those silent sentinels from a distant past, are more than just curiosities. They are time capsules, preserving a record of life on Earth as it existed millions of years ago. They are a testament to the power of evolution, the resilience of life, and the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. We are the custodians of this legacy, charged with protecting these irreplaceable treasures for future generations. By studying the dinosaurs, by unraveling their mysteries, and by sharing their story with the world, we gain a deeper appreciation for the history of life on Earth and our place within it. The dinosaurs, in their extinction, have taught us valuable lessons about the fragility of ecosystems, the interconnectedness of life, and the importance of conservation. Their story is a reminder that we are not just inheritors of the Earth, but its caretakers responsible for ensuring its health and well-being for generations to come. As we face the challenges of the 21st century, let us remember the lessons of the dinosaurs and strive to be good stewards of our planet, protecting its biodiversity and ensuring a sustainable future for all life.